This video will show how to change a few settings on a Mercedes. This applies to a Mercedes CLK years 2003, 2009 and E-Class years 2003, 2009 as well. What you need to do is with the menu button here, you just click it until you get to this screen. Then you select it with this button right here. Then to go up and down, you have to use the plus minus on the right. First, let's just look at some settings for instrument cluster. You select it. Here you can set the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius. Then you can go next. You can set the speed units will be kilometers or miles, whatever you like. And language, you have a few, but I'll stick with English. And then this is the status line display. So if you change this between speed and outside temperature right there, that's what you're gonna see. If you put it to speed, you're gonna see this, your speed on that second line right there. This, it says basic display, so the right in the center you'll see a number, and I like to keep it at speed versus seeing the outside temperature. Outside temperature can stay right down there. So this is how I have it set it up. Coming back in here, let's see, if you want to set up the time, you go down with the minus button here on this menu, up and down, you select it. Then you change here the numbers up and down. Once you set up the time, you have to press the reset button here. Can't see very well. And then it will actually change your clock right there. So if you want to move, we go that way. Lightning. This is for the interior lights if you want them to stay on after when you open the doors and things like that. And that's the delay on the headlights. So if you don't want the headlights to turn off as soon as you lock the car, you can change that to like 15 seconds and your lights will stay on for a few seconds. I'll leave it at 15. Go up, interior lamp. So that's the delay for the dome light over here, or the main one, but let's go look at some more. And that's for the settings for the radio. So basically when you hit the search, what do you want it to do? Go through different frequencies or go through your memory. And that's for the door lock. So when you start driving, if you want the car to automatically lock the doors for you, you can leave that to on. Convenience. So what this does is will adjust the steering wheel. If you leave it off, it will do nothing, but if you leave it as a steering column, it will adjust when you come into the car and you open the ignition. It will adjust the steering column. Also, you can set it to adjust steering column and the seat. Actually, I'll leave it at off. Key dependent. So basically, if you got two keys, one person has a specific, has the seat all the way forward, and a person has the seat all the way back, depending on whatever key is being used, whoever person has the key, it will move the settings to wherever they had it. So this will be a nice one if you got a couple of people using the car. And that's mirror adjustment parking. So basically when you put it on reverse, the mirrors would tilt down so you can see better. I'll change that to on. And that was for convenience. And I think that's everything. Yep. Alright, I hope this was helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.